Beautiful day, isn't it? Hey everyone, welcome back. And as you probably can see, I have indeed upgraded my camera. That is the dogs. Oh. And we are not gonna let this beautiful weather to waste. So we are driving off to Mtunzini today. We wanted to do that yesterday, but it was actually quite rainy. While it was raining, we decided to watch a movie instead. We are watching The Disaster Artist. I've never watched it, but I've watched the actual movie. It's really bad, but it's so bad it's kind of funny. Definite recommendation if you're really bored and you just want to do something.
Our promise of equity and sustainability.
That's the coffee I like to drink. I get it from Woolworths. It's very nice.
Use within 4 to 6 weeks, can you even do that?
Yeah, well, it's just instant coffee.
Okay.
Freeze-dried instant coffee. The best kind of coffee, and I do recommend that. Alright, so we're gonna drive now to a shopping mall because we just want to get a few things like, I don't know, water, at least one of the things, so that we don't dehydrate in this really warm sun.
I was yesterday and I will be tomorrow. I'm just hanging in a moment, hanging in a moment. I'm not buying my time, I'm just here to borrow. You can have it in the morning, I'll get it where I'm going. I got my head on my chest, on my eyes open wide. I got no fear, got no doubt, and got no feel alive. I'm not stopping for ya. I'm a fucking warrior. I'm a warrior.
Alright, so that was a cinematic experience of us buying water. For some reason, I don't really know. I guess I'm just still trying to kind of experiment with this camera's high frame rate, which I find really awesome. Any case, now we're going to Mtunzini, so let's go check it out. We just arrived at Mtunzini's beach now. We're gonna go check it out. It's a little bit windy today, but it's gonna be great. Weather is really warm. I think it's about 31 degrees at the moment. So this small coastal town is situated approximately 140 kilometers north of Durban. And when I say small, I really do mean small. The population of this town is only around 2,200 people. It really makes this place incredibly remote and unique. But it's extremely hot. If you're walking barefoot on the sand, your feet burns really. It's insane. Clara's already making sure that all of our Insta friends is updated on her life. Why?
Because it posted in the wrong order. Now it's really confusing. It's like beach, car, driving, beach, beach, you, car, driving. Shit.
The name Mtunzini means place in the shade in Zulu. So let's go explore some of these places. I love coming here. It's probably one of the most chillest places to walk through and experience some of the more unique parts of nature. crabs here. I'm assuming it's baby season or something. But it's wherever you look, you're seeing a lot of babies. Baby crabs! Clara says it stinks too much here. I don't know, to me it just smells like swamp. As you continue with the road less traveled by, you will eventually find this beautiful little spot you can share with a loved one. With this beautiful view of the lake. Oh, simply gorgeous. You can thank golden hour for that. I've actually heard that there was sightings of hippos and crocodiles here once before, but it's very rare, to be honest, so it's actually quite safe, I would say. But this is Africa, so definitely a unique spot. Sweaty as heck. Oh. Sweaty as heck. Guys, that brings us to the end of today's vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It was really fun making this video today. It was just really hot and humid, but I mean, what can you expect of tropical KwaZulu-Natal? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, a thumbs up will be greatly appreciated, and if you want to stick around and see more of my videos, and I'm gonna vlog a bit with this beautiful lady over here. If you want to stick around, we're gonna camp, I think, in a few weeks. It's gonna be really cool. I'm very excited for that, and I want to share these videos, and I want to share that with you guys. So yeah, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you as always in the next venture. Cheers and have a great week.